So today I'm going to go to the Romano Russo restaurant, which is located in Itaipu. It is 15 kilometers from here approximately. And the route is I'm going to take the boat to get me to the other side of the bay. And from there, I'm going to cycle these 15 kilometers to the restaurant. I'm very interested in this restaurant because they serve food from Georgia, Kazakhstan, Russia and Ukraine. And I'm very curious about these dishes. I've seen the menu online and I am very interested in the Pelmeni. I think I'm going to take the Pelmeni, which is a dish from Ukraine. But who knows? I may change my mind when I arrive there. That's the way, right? Beginning at the center of Niteroi, going all the way down, crossing the tunnel and continuing further to our destination. Now from here to here, it is 15 kilometers of distance. Breakfast, coconut water and bread and butter, and after this, straight to the harbor area to take the boat. Tickets come in the form of cards, and they cost 6 reals 90 cents each. As you can see, the restaurant is a very cozy red house and has even got a charming pool inside. After having ordered my dish, I sat down at the table near the window and waited patiently for it to be prepared. There it is, Pelmeni, Ukrainian traditional dish. As you can see, it's cooked white dough filled with meat. Lunch eaten, time to hit the road again, back home. Here you can get a glimpse of the kind of boats that we use for transportation between the two sides of the bay.